Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pokegemz. Another super easy drawing tutorial. Guys, this one might look hard, but I'm gonna make it easy. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. So guys, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get started on the drawing. Alright, as you see, I did do this one on graph paper like I usually do, making it nice and easy for you guys to follow along. Guys, the initial measurement is 20 boxes by 20 boxes. I won't be doing too much talking throughout this video because I will let the graph paper speak for itself, guys. The measurements, it should be really nice and easy for you guys to follow along. This is the basic measurement. In a second, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an extra little sheet to show you the initial measurements, just to make it super easy. And trust me guys, in the beginning, when you start out this particular drawing, make it 20 boxes by 20 boxes, and then take a look at this measurement sheet that just showed up on the left hand side. These are the initial measurements, guys. If you start out with this, it's going to be super easy for you guys to follow along. Go ahead and do it in pencil, do it in marker, whatever you guys feel. But yeah, let's have fun with this one. Alright guys, now that we're done drawing the initial drawing, let's go ahead and color it. Guys, we're going to go ahead and use 3 separate color markers just to make this illusion, this awesome geographic optical illusion, look like it's literally coming off the paper. I think honestly this part is even more important than the drawing itself, because depending on where you color, what you color, that's what's going to give it that 3D effect. So I started out with the dark black with the Sharpie, so follow along on your drawing, and these areas that I marked right here, guys, the same ones that I'm coloring with the dark black Sharpie, you're going to go ahead and color yours exactly in the same way. Alright, once you're done coloring with your Sharpie, get a second marker that's a little bit lighter. I'm using this CaliArt gray marker. Guys, in the comments down below, in the description, I've got the area where you can buy these. I tell you exactly which markers these are, but I chose a light gray CaliArt marker. I think this looks really good because it really plays off the black really nicely. So we'll basically have the 3 different shades or darknesses of the grays and blacks, which I think it's already starting to look like it's literally popping off the paper. But I think this third part that we do in a second here will be even more important. The third part, what I will do as soon as I'm done with the gray marker here, I'm going to actually get a light gray colored pencil just to do the shadow, kind of the shade. You see how it almost looks like one bridge goes under another? So what I'm going to do is start at the line and do it darker, and then kind of fade it out into lighter, and that really gives it that effect, like it looks like literally one bridge is going underneath another. And I really think you guys can start seeing this, so go ahead and play with it. I mean, if you don't have a colored pencil, you can use a regular pencil. The other thing you can use, I've done this version also using the General's charcoal pencils. That looks pretty cool. Guys, I mean, I think this one was pretty easy. Couple different materials here. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Guys, check me out on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We do post our pictures there every single day, guys. My website, pokegemz.com. And if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on the notifications, and guys, I will definitely see you on the next one.